Prepare lemon rice. First add oil in a kadai. Once the oil is heated, add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splatter, add the red chili into it, and then add the crushed ginger into it. Then 2 to 3 green chilies into it, split. Mix it well. Now add the curry leaves into it. Mix it well. Now add the onion, sauteed. Add little salt into it. Mix it well. Now add the asafoetida or hing into it. Now add the turmeric powder into it. And then add the coriander leaves, chopped. Mix it well. Now add the boiled rice into it. This is a simple dish. Check the salt and serve it hot. Now add the lemon squeezed into it. Mix it well. Serve hot.